Hi there, I'm Gulam Murtaza Sandhu, Senior Subject Specialist English. I've been teaching English to intermediate and secondary classes since 1989. I've been imparting training of spoken English to the candidates and students desirous of getting good jobs after passing CSS and PMS. I've also trained so many students who want to get visa after getting good band in IELTS, etc. I've trained so many students to pass interview in foreign office to get visa for jobs to other countries. If you wanna train your kids, they can join me on morning walk on the Upper Chenab Canal near Baniawala, Gujranwala. That training will be free of cost. But if you want to train your children, i.e. Skype or Zoom, I'll charge rupees 500 per hour. I'm waiting for your positive response. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye for now.